Samsung recently launched the Galaxy A50s and Galaxy A30s in the Indian market, which are upgrades to the Galaxy A50 and A30 that also launched this year. Now, Samsung is all set to launch the Galaxy A70s in the Indian market as per some reports. In fact, the pricing is already out, and as per a report, the Galaxy A70s is launching in India at a price of 32,990 rupees. Also, a Samsung Galaxy A70s poster was recently spotted that does not reveal anything special except for the fact that it confirms the existence of such a phone. The Samsung Galaxy A70s could be the company's first phone with a 64 megapixel camera, but Samsung has not hinted anything yet, so it cannot be confirmed as of now. Still, if it is true, then it would launch with Samsung's GM1 sensor that we have on the Redmi Note 8 Pro and the Realme XT. Just like the Samsung Galaxy A50s, the Samsung Galaxy A70s won't be a huge upgrade over the A70, so the design will remain mostly the same. That is, an Infinity U display on the front, a triple camera setup on the back, and an in-display fingerprint scanner. As per a Geekbench listing, the Samsung Galaxy A70s has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 SoC, which is the same chip that powers the Galaxy A70. There is 6GB RAM, 128GB storage, and Android 9 Pie running out of the box with one UI on top. One thing that has been revealed apart from the pricing is the fact that there is a big 5000 mAh battery which is bigger than the 4500 mAh battery on the Galaxy A70. Just like the A70, the Galaxy A70s will feature the 25-watt fast charging. Finally, the Samsung Galaxy A70s support page has already gone live on the official Samsung India site, so yes, the launch is happening soon. Well, at the price of 32,990 rupees, do you think the Samsung Galaxy A70s is a good phone? Do let me know in the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.